Again, for the areas shaded in gray, the storms are actually moving now up into Clinton. You're going to see some flooding in Clinton because the thunderstorms are already propagating from Oak Ridge and kind of moving back to the east-northeast. These storms have been back building, forming in Anderson County, moving into Knox, and then redeveloping and repeatedly moving over the same area. We call that training, just like train cars on a railroad track. Training, moving repeatedly over the same area. Again, that's what we're seeing. But we are seeing a little bit of movement now from Clinton toward Powell, Carnes, again into Knoxville, Fountain City. So this batch of very heavy rainfall, this is just this one cluster of storms that has developed for the past 2.5 hours now in Anderson and Knox County. And Doppler radar, look at this, over 4 inches of rain. I tell you what, it looks like there could be a stripe of 4.5 inches plus. This is just basically a little over 2.5 hours time. Rainfall estimates and rainfall rates, in excess of 2 inches per hour. That's what's occurring right now in northwest Knox County. The main line is still up in Kentucky. Let me show you our futurecast. We've got that current batch of storms. Here's a look at the main line that's going to move in between midnight and 2 to 3 a.m. back into some of the same areas. So that batch of showers and storms is going to move through. It's going to slowly weaken as we get into early Thursday morning, and then we'll see a little bit of a break. But for the overnight hours, we do have the possibility of some flash flooding. Again, overnight, early in the morning, avoid flooded roadways. If you live in a flood-prone area, be prepared to seek higher ground. Let me go ahead and show you our 7-day forecast. It's going to be hot and dry as we get into the weekend with mid-90s before a chance for scattered storms returns early next week. All right, you can roll the animation if you want. It's time for this week's Weather Wednesday.